Hello and welcome to this ArcherPoint presentation on using warehouse item journals. My name is Alex Wiley. I'm a senior consultant here at ArcherPoint, and I'm going to lead you through this demonstration today. When you're using warehouse item journals, that means that you have advanced WMS turned on in your company. This can be by location, and it means having directed picks and putaways turned on. This also means requiring all of the warehouse documents and having been mandatory. We recommend doing a thorough amount of research or reaching out to your Microsoft partner or us here at ArcherPoint to discuss whether or not this is right for your organization if you're unsure. You need to make sure that you have created an adjustment bin and assigned that adjustment bin in the location code setup. This is because there's a two-step process when using the warehouse item journal. You first go in and enter your date, warehouse document number, and item number. Select your zone and bin code. You can use the bin contents feature here to see what's available in that bin to adjust. And note that there's no transaction type. So you'll use positive and negative numbers to indicate whether or not you're doing a positive or negative adjustment. Once you post the warehouse item journal, it creates the adjustment in the adjustment bin. You're not done yet because it hasn't created any transactions related to cost. After you've created and posted your warehouse item journal, go to your standard item journal and run the calculate warehouse adjustment. This will pull in those values and allow you to post, and then you will see both the adjustment in the warehouse ledger entries as well as the related cost changes. Keep in mind that if you're using the warehouse item journal, that also means that you have to use the related warehouse physical inventory journal and the warehouse item reclassification journal. These specific warehouse journals are all used for any locations with advanced WMS turned on. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments, and thanks for viewing our video today.